Hello YouTube, how are we all doing? This is the Guild T100 from 1960. Boom. There's a tuner bushing missing. If you look at that, the tuner on the G string, the bushing is missing. The little thing. Anyway, whatever. Apart from that, this is all original. So here we are. Going to play it now, make some noise of it just to show you how it sounds. And we're playing through a custom Tube 12, which is a half and a half amp. All EQs at noon, no reverb, just the amp. So here we go. Neck pickup. So there's the tone, roll the tone down, you get the old, you know. The jazz, man, nice. Bit of jazz sort of things, turn the tone back up, so it turns up all the way. Tone down. Alright, middle pickup, middle position 2, both pickups. Fingers. That was that. Then we got the bridge pickup. With a pick as well. Jazz is nice. Alright, enough of me messing around. There it goes. Do you want a bit of gain? Let's put a bit of gain. Let's put a little bit of gain on it. How do we do gain? Here we go. Bridge pickup gain, in the middle gain. Yeah, that sort of thing, and then back in the neck. that's about it. Okay, sounds like an old guitar to me. Like a cool old guitar. So all you jazz guys, you know, it's kind of that. It's cool anyway. It's a cool guitar. Sounds cool too. Volume. A little bit crackly. Needs to clean out with a bit of spray, but you think I'm taking them pots off and fishing them through the ear holes, so you can think again. Anyway, be lucky, YouTube. I hope you like that one. This is a nice old guitar. It sounds so, like, you know, nice. It's nice. Oh, you div. Be lucky, people. Baked potato. We'll see you later.